starts with Gunnar Reddick, who is celebrating his 7th birthday on the trampoline. Gunnar, a happy birthday to you, my man, in Chanute.
All right, next we have Devin Miller turning 8 years old, and Devin is in Girard. Happy birthday, Devin.
Now we're on to double digits because Gracie Tran Sue is celebrating her 10th birthday. Miss Gracie, a happy birthday to you and Valida.
Turning the sweet 16, we have Brooke Rush out of Jasper.
Chad Obanion throwing up a couple of 22s on the board right there, and in his hands is the newest addition to the Obanion family. That is Chad's daughter, Dalton Rose. And Dalton was born on New Year's Eve. What a great picture right there. Chad, I want you to know this comes with love from Mama and the whole family. And thank you for sharing Dalton with us as well.
All right, next.
That's Oakland Rose. You know what? So my contact was about to flip out of my eye. And I'm over here and I'm doing this. And I realized that's an O. Her name is Oakland Rose. And so, Chad, I apologize for that. I was fighting to keep a contact in, and after I got it back in and my eyes adjusted, I want to make sure I get the kiddo's name right.
There you go. Hey, next we have Daniel Moss turning 33 years old. We have, it's not just Daniel.
It's a family affair when the Mosses get together.
We got Christina Joe Moss turning 34, and we also have Ethan Moss turning 13. That's Daniel and Christina's son. Those are some there's some interesting chances.
I bet you that Daniel and Christina, knowing them, they defer to Ethan and let this be his big celebration. Now he's a teenager and such. Happy birthday, Moss family. Craig Condon, he is turning the big 4-0. That is not a current picture of Craig. I want to point that out. Happy 40th, Craig, and I love the throwback. I'm not sure who got you on that, but kudos to them. Craig's in Pittsburgh.
All right.
Good looking hat, though.
Yeah.
I like that.
Coming out of Erie, we have Chris Welch turning 41, and not just that, he is also one of our many four-state heroes. He was part of the Operation of Iraqi, he's an Operation of Iraqi Freedom veteran. So Chris Welch, happy birthday and thank you.
Happy birthday, Chris. That's a good looking picture too, my man. That's really cool. Dennis Blinko, our good friend Dennis, is celebrating number 79. Mr. Blinko, you know how much we all love you up here, and a happy birthday to you in Liberal.
All right, next, out of Pittsburgh, we have Nancy Jensen. It's a great photo, Nancy. Happy birthday.
This is a neat picture right here of the Schoonovers. Dalton and Molly are celebrating their 5th anniversary, and that is their new baby, Bodie, right there in the middle of them. So congratulations to Dalton and Molly, not only on the anniversary, but the family edition as well. They are in Bella Vista.
All right, and then out of Parsons, we have Colton Noble turning 15 years old, Tom Brown turning 54, and you have a special message. Happy birthday from Tammy and your whole family. And then we have Christopher Morrissey out of Oklahoma City.
What big in the OKC?
He was born in Joplin though, and his birthday was yesterday. And last, certainly not least, Mildred Ludlum turning 82 years old out of Erie.
Word travels fast down I-44. Bronte Sorotsky, you mark my words. Christopher Morrissey's going to know that we wished him happy birthday. There's only two things in life that travel faster than the speed of light.
What?
Gossip and birthday wishes from KOAM.
You're right.
Actually, I just made up the gossip part. I don't know if that part's true. Here's where you can send them into KOA birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Now here's Bronte Sorotsky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Hey, for those of you that remember, shortly after Christmas, we were talking